There is a mentality that when you have by grace, you will never be poor. It doesn't matter what happens. It's not pride. The energy that leaves from you will edit everything that will bring you poverty. And if anything happens in your life that looks like poverty, is God's law. It will send a signal to the spirit. This kind of mindset should not be in lack. Men and systems will realign themselves until you bounce back. It's a law. Increase is a mindset. When you understand the mindset of increase, then the grace for increase comes. Listen, grace is come in honor to mindsets. Grace is come in honor to beliefs. Never forget this. Grace is come in honor to mindsets. Don't just look for graces. Find out the mindset that the graces are looking for. There is a kind of mindset that when you have, even before you pray for the grace, it would have arrived. Because the mindsets are magnets. It is true.